TV, and in today's episode we are going to be giving away the GoPro as well as $300. I want to apologize for any delays that we had in getting this video out, as well as contacting the winner. We had a few employees in the dealership that had COVID, and unfortunately that stopped us from putting out the video. So we are all caught up, and now it is time to announce the winner. The way that we're going to announce the winner in this video, that way it's very simple, there's no questions on who won and did we alter anything. It's going to be tickets. We have 65 entries. We're gonna pick 65 tickets. The tickets start at 01 and we're gonna pick them through 065. I have a list here of every single entry, 1 through 65. And once I pick the ticket, we'll correspond it with this number. I'll show you exactly who won. Exciting, let's pick a winner. So we have 65 tickets in here. I pulled them from this 65 here, and I'm gonna just mix these up right here in front of you in our Yamaha hat. Drop one here, that is not the winner just yet. All right, and before I pick a winner, I just want to thank everybody who has subscribed to Moramoto TV, supported Moramoto, myself as an entrepreneur, and commented on this video. Good luck to all the contestants. We appreciate the support, and we hope to have continued support in the future. Let's pick a winner. All right. I won't look, eyes closed. I got somebody. Let's see who we have. Ticket number 37. So I'm gonna go to my list.
Who's 37?
All right, here we go. The winner is Eric JG89. So we have some research to do. We're gonna find you. We're gonna congratulate you. We're gonna get you a GoPro. You're gonna help me pick who we're gonna donate some money to. Congrats to Eric, the winner, and thank you everybody for joining us in this contest. Tune in, subscribe, support this channel, and we'll continue to give away more things into our community. So with that, thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you next time.